One of the most common reasons why your outdoor LED light has stopped working is usually due to a bulb inside being popped up and out, usually due to someone servicing your property. Maybe like a landscaper came and was cutting your yard and accidentally bumped into one of these. Doesn't take much power, but sometimes a nice little whack will pop that bulb up and out, and I'm going to show you how to combat that and fix it. So simply undo the set screw, take the sleeve off, unscrew the body, and you'll see it exposes the MR16 bulb. And what you want to do is just simply take your hand and push the bulb back in. You'll hear like a little pop sound, like that, and that should do it. Put the body back on. And your shroud back on, and you'll have light again. Hope that helps.